911 calls after a footbridge collapsed during severe thunderstorms, dumping a man into the water below.
A man has fallen into the river, which is raging from the rain.
Is he still in the river?
The woman who reported it to us said he was.
That man was swept away. His body was later found near Mount Hood. Dozens of other hikers were stranded when that bridge collapsed. 23 hikers in all from various groups ended up stranded. Some successfully crossed the river on a fallen log before rescuers got there. But the rest waited about an hour and a half for rescuers from several agencies.
So was the river still raging at that point?
Sure, yeah. Not as bad as it was when the bridge went, but I mean, it was uncrossable without them. They took us about a quarter mile downstream where they had rigged up some ropes with some inflatable boats. We kind of half walked across, crawled in the boats. They shuttled us across. They took our packs. Second, they did a great job.
The hiker who died was visiting family in the area.